This is the Outdoor Revolution multi-camp kitchen, a really easy and quick to set up camp kitchen with plenty of features. So you have the built-in windshield for a start, protecting your cooker, which will sit on this heat-proof top. Another heat-proof top down there. This sort of side table thing for preparing can be folded away if you haven't got the space. Of course, you've got a kind of larder here, 2 shelves, and another side table for preparation. All folds down together to a nice heavy-duty bag. So a great addition to your camping setup.